You can automate any task using ChatGPT. Here's how to extract data from any website, scrap LinkedIn users, and find trending topics on Twitter using ChatGPT. Start by heading over to the ChatGPT plugin store and download the Bardeen plugin. It's free. To find trending topics on Twitter, type this prompt to create the automation and click on the link. Now we need to specify the keyword we're interested in and create a name for the Google Sheet. Let's go with AI tools. ChatGPT will now take care of hours of work sorting thousands of tweets in Google Sheets for your quick reference. It gives us data like retweets, comments, views, post body, and more. This one saves hours of work. Now let's scrap some LinkedIn users who've commented on a certain post. Again, type this prompt to create the automation. Once that's done, just click on the link. Now all we have to do is paste the LinkedIn post's link, name the Google Sheet, and the AI will do its magic in seconds. We now have a Google Sheet filled with data of the commenters like their comment body, profile link, and more in seconds. Amazing, right? Perfect for networking. Now let's summarize a website and send it to someone as an email. Similarly, type this prompt to create the automation we need and click on the link it provides. Now just paste the link of the website you want to summarize and type in the email of who you want to send it to with a subject line as well as a body. Wow, it's now outlined the web page and automatically sent an email to them in a single click. Are 9-to-5 jobs in trouble? What do you think? Access the ultimate list of over 2,000 AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.